The cracks in the ruling Akali Dal and BJP alliance in Punjab widens even further. Even as Akali Dal has denied any rift with their alliance partners, the tension between the two parties over the flourishing drug trade seems evident, with the BJP President Amit Shah now set to kick off his own anti-drugs drive, staying away from Akali Dal's campaign.
A theme he touched upon during his Mann Ki Baat radio address on December 14th last year. Prime Minister Modi raising the issue of drug menace, calling it a national pain.
ड्रग्स तीन बातों को लाता है और मैं उसको कहूंगा, एक बुराइयों वाला 3D है, एक डी है डार्कनेस, दूसरा डी है डिस्ट्रक्शन और तीसरा डी है डिवास्टेशन। नशा अंधेरी गली में ले जाता है।
A few days later, the news of a strong man in BJP's Punjab ally being summoned in a drug-related case created a flutter, triggering tension between the allies. But what escalated the matter was BJP seeking Punjab Revenue Minister Majitia's resignation. The ongoing battle took centre stage when BJP President Amit Shah decided to launch an anti-drug drive in Amritsar on Jan 2nd. A move observers say was aimed at sending a message to the Shiromani Akali Dal. And today, a jittery ally will begin its own anti-drug dharna to counter the BJP and, needless to say, deflect the heat from its own. As the Akali Dal prepares to send its political message with protests, especially at the international border, the BJP has decided to distance itself from the program, even though it is a part of the government in Punjab.
नहीं, भारतीय जनता पार्टी का अपना अलग से प्रोग्राम है, श्रोमणी अकाली दल का अपना प्रोग्राम। मैंने तो कई बार कहा, अब भी कहता हूं कि जिन लोगों का नाम ईडी की इंक्वायरी में आया है, जिन लोगों को ईडी ने बुलाया है, चाहे वो चौधरी संतोख सिंह हैं, चाहे वो विक्रम मजीठिया हैं, चाहे अविनाश चंद्र हैं, चाहे कोई और भी है, उनको संवैधानिक पदों पर रहने का अधिकार नहीं है।
These people are now organizing these kind of protests against the border security forces, which I feel is an act which is totally seditious in nature.
The stage is now set for a political showdown. But in a state reeling under a crisis that is destroying many lives, both parties must decide whether it's politics or saving lives that takes precedence. Bureau Report, Times Now.